Before I talk anything about the film, let me thank Amirji. He's so humble, so nice, and the pretension is not with him. I just called him with slight embarrassment because his son's film is being released on the same day as 7th. and I started like this, sir, I don't know, I can ask this help, but the only superstar I know and I've made films is you. Can I invite you for the trailer launch? He said, what is there? Both the films will run well. Don't worry about it. I'll come. That's all. One simple word. He didn't allow me to cajole beg or anything like that. He just simply told like that, I'm coming. That's all. Then, sir, date. Okay, I'll ask my secretary to call you. Just talk to him. And it's all over in 3 minutes. What to say? Such a nice gentleman. And of course, I know that he loves me in his heart. So that is the reason the first call, he made me so happy. Thank you very much for your kindness, sir. Thank you very much. Coming back to the film. Why we made this film is one, if you want to say in one sentence, it is a true story happened in nearby Vizag, in a small village. Those people have gone to Gujarat for a better coolie to go into the sea and do a fishing for 30 days and come back. Unfortunately, due to some weather problem, they crossed the international borders and suddenly they realized Pakistan people have caught them and took them to jail, and they were there for 2 years to come back. And the whole family in this village here, how they suffered, how they rose to bring them back, what is their struggle there, and all this is the story of the film. Straight, I'm telling you. I'm inspired by the 10 lines of the story, and we approached those 20 people who stayed in the Pakistan jail, took rights from all of them. Though somebody has written the story, and then gave the small story to this gentleman. And this gentleman took 9 months to develop into a proper 1.5 hour narration to me. And on the day when he gave narration to me, I was flat on that floor, right? He developed in such a way. He intertwined the love story so much into it. And the Pakistan jail scenes and the village scenes, the love story, all these things. In the sea, of course, he spent a lot of money of mine. That is about him. And I have to tell somebody is not here who was about to come, and Sai Pallavi is sick today and she couldn't come. We told her, please stay back, don't worry, we will explain to Chief Guest Amirji and you people. And she has done a fantastic job in this film. You will love it. And then it is Naga Chaitanya. I've got a long way to go. With him, he has been my actor in my banner, and he's so inspired with this subject. When we told, even before developing into this big one, he was, and the way he has acted in this film, I tell you, I mean, this is slightly exaggeration in my words, but when you see the film, it is a reality. He has done best of his career performance. He has done the best. And I feel, even this word is an exaggeration, but his career before this film and after this film will be in 2 ways. Sir, thank you very much, because he stood for this film for 1.5 years, not accepting any assignment, and not removing the beard also. Should I tell the joke? About a couple of months he got married. So I went to his marriage to bless. They were sitting down, I was about to bless. He introduced his missus and she said, "Sir, I have a small request. Please tell me, when do you will show my husband to me?" I said, "What is it?" I couldn't, I couldn't see my husband's face. I told her, next day of the release. Till then, don't believe me. Next day of the release. So that was the joke in Pandal. So such patience he has shown in the film. Such tenacity he has exhibited to do the role. And even those fishermen have a muscle, but thin, that kind of muscle, lean muscle. Lean muscle, he has developed it to show it as a fisherman and all that. He has worked a lot for that. And I remember how much you struggled to build the body in Gajani. We stopped the film for 6 months, really, to make him bulk the body. So, such things he has done for this film. I have to acknowledge and thank you, Chaitu, for this film. And we say, if the film is coming up, the music is the first one that comes and hits us. And he has hit audience with 3 continuous hits in this film. And he has given extraordinary music for this film. And already, it is on the charts. It's doing great. And he's looking like that. He's doing music last 25 years. And I lost count how many films he has done for me. But I was asking yesterday, like, how you are giving continuous hits so many years, man. He is telling, can I ask you the same? So even, I think you are aware, Pushpa. He is the guy. No, Pushpa ka baap he was. Then my colleague Banni Vasu, he got this subject from somewhere and brought to me. "Sir, listen to this. I think something is hitting in it." And I heard it's a real story, but it looks like a documentary. Yeah? Let us give it to Chandu. He will make it. And he has worked throughout. I don't go to sets every day. That Mr. Banni Vasu does all this job. And I thank him across this stage. He's not here because in the Hindi copy, Hindi mixing, all those things, he's looking after there. So many people couldn't reach here. One Mr. Sandeep we have taken from here. Thank you, Sandeep. You will come finally here. Thank you. He has done a great job also. Thank you, Sandeep. For 20 days, I saw him continuously in the edit room. So he was so familiar. And did I forget anything? Right, editor Naveen. Editor Naveen. He has done a great job. He's a super editor there. People wait for him. People postpone their releases for his edit. That kind of a superstar. So many people. He's also a National Film Award. I'm working with so many National Film Awards. Thank you. Thank you for co-producers. These are the people. Please stand up once.
Thank you so much, sir.
Whom can I call now?
Of course.
You do. I don't do your job. Please do.
You so amazing sir, मैं सुन सकता हूँ ऐसे पूरे टाइम. वो आवाज में वजन है, पर्सनालिटी में वजन है, तो बनता है इतना. तो संदीप, thank you so much for being here. What would you like to say, for this entire team and your experience of being a part of this film?
First things first, आमिर सर के सामने गला थोड़ा सा सूख रहा है. Who is not his fan? और I don't know whether I should do this, but I want to. So hell yes. मैं 15 साल से आपके सामने एक चीज करना चाहता हूँ सर. चकर का चीचाई चो चकलोरम गंडो वंडो लकर कटम अक्को टक्को इडी गिडी इडिगो इडिपाई विडिपाई चिकी चकचो गिली गिली मल सुलु सुलु मल मकाना का हुकुबु करे टुकुबु करे चकला का भिक्को चिक्को सिली 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 गो चगड़दुम भगड़दुम चिकी चकचो.
क्या बात.
ये गाना मेरी मोबाइल की रिंगटोन रह चुका है, मेरा अलार्म रह चुका है. मेरी 8 साल की बच्ची को मैंने पहला गाना यही सिखाया सर, और उसको भी ये वर्ड टू वर्ड याद है. लोग फिल्में बनाते हैं, कुछ फिल्में छू जाती हैं, कुछ फिल्में याद रह जाती हैं, और कुछ फिल्में इतिहास बना जाती हैं सर. तो मेरे हिसाब से पेरेंटिंग एंड हैंडलिंग चिल्ड्रन विद स्पेशल नीड्स, इसके बारे में इससे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल, इससे अच्छी फिल्म आई डोंट थिंक मैंने देखी है, और शायद ही हम में से किसी और ने देखी होगी. Thank you so much for giving us an amazing film like that, and several other amazing films, sir. And coming to our film, when I entered the sets of Tandel, I was not sure what to expect. But then I met this towering man called Mr. Mondati. और मैंने इनको ये खुद बोला कि सर आप डायरेक्टर नहीं हैं, आप ना साथ में टीचर भी हैं. क्योंकि मैंने इतने फिल्म सेट्स देखे हैं जहाँ पे डायरेक्टर अपने असिस्टेंट्स पर आमतौर पर चिल्लाता है, गलती होती है तो चिल्लाता है, लेकिन ये उनको फटकार तो नहीं लगाते, सुधारते हैं, लेकिन साथ में जाकर समझाते भी हैं कि करना कैसे है. एंड इमेजिन सर, मी 100 कोట్లు అక్కడే వెళ్ళినాయి सर. When a film close to 100 crores is riding on you, each day of the film is very expensive. और उसका हर मिनट अकाउंटेबल होता है. लेकिन ये फिर भी उस कॉम्प्लेक्स से सीन में जहाँ पर 100-150 एक्स्ट्राज हैं और धूप है, लाइट जा रही है, एक सुपरस्टार वेट कर रहा है, वो डायरेक्टर असिस्टेंट को जाकर बताएंगे कि तूने ये गलत किया, इसको ऐसे करना अगली बार, ठीक है ना, एंड देन ही विल गो बैक टू हिज शॉट. सो दैट इज चंदू सर फॉर अस, बिकॉज इट डजंट जस्ट टेक स्टोरी टेलिंग, इट टेक्स अ गुड हार्ट टू मेक अ फिल्म विच हैज इट्स हार्ट इन द राइट प्लेस. आई मीन, प्यार मोहब्बत के बारे में फिल्में बनती रहती हैं, लेकिन जब ये प्यार इन दोनों की आंखों में दिखता है ना, तो ये यहां से आता है. He has made this film with a lot of love, and I am very sure, and I am only looking forward to see how Chai and Sai Pallavi have brought the love and the intimate, tender moments on the film screen. So thank you very much, sir. Lovely film. The production was very nice. It was an amazing film set to be on, right from director sir to the assistants to people from the production. Thank you very much for being the guiding light to all of us, sir. And now we are only looking forward to the film. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I forgot to introduce one Mr. Sacha, Chief Executive of the film.
The ever so handsome, the ever so talented Jai Bhai, welcome to Amchi Mumbai.
Thank you so much.
इस capacity में how does it feel? Of course, film आने वाली है इतनी बड़ी और सब लोग बहुत excited हैं. What do you have to say?
Firstly, very good evening to everyone. Amir sir, thank you so much for coming. I'm not someone who believes in sentiments too much, but I can't help but draw a parallel to, I remember the film I did with Sai Pallavi, Love Story. Amir sir had watched the trailer and he had messaged me saying, wow, what a lovely trailer. Can I come for the event that we were having in 2 days from there? And I said, sir, it's all planned. Chiranjeevi Garu is the chief guest and all that. He said, no, I'm coming. I just want to come and enjoy the event. So he came there. He gave us so much positivity. And the film turned out to becoming a huge success for both of us. And now again, we're here with a film that Pallavi and I are doing, Tandel, and Amir sir is here to launch the trailer. It's such a magical moment for me. Sir, if this film works, which we all have the confidence that it will work on Feb 7th, I'll have to call you for every trailer release that Pallavi and I do. So I'm sorry, I'll have to ask you. And also the 6 months, the brief period I spent with Amir sir during Lal Singh had left such a huge positive impact on me. I learned so much from him, both as an actor and as a human being. And I think till date and for many, many days to come, that influence will play a huge role in my life. Thank you, sir. And coming to Tandel, when Chandu told me the idea, like Arvind sir said, in a very documentary kind of form, I was so excited as an actor. Which actor won't be? I mean, this film has so much of span. We're going from this village, Srikakulam, to Gujarat, all the way to Pakistan, and there's a beautiful love story. So we decided to start the journey. The script wasn't ready by then. We decided to start the journey, and we went to Srikakulam to meet all the fishermen and to learn about their lives and to learn about their challenges. And that's when I realized what a big challenge this film is going to be for me. Because listening to their stories, their experiences out in sea, they're out in sea for almost 8 months in a year, and there's no connect to reality. They don't have any sort of cell phone communication or whatsoever. Listening to all these challenges really grounded me and really inspired me as an actor, because these are the real heroes and their stories have to be told. And very rarely do we get such inspiration from real moments to tell stories. So I think it's a huge opportunity for me, and I'm really blessed as an actor to be able to be a part of this film. And as Arvind Garu said, firstly, I should thank him for trusting me, because when he saw me before the transformation, I looked nothing like this, and I was very far from how these people look. So it took me about a year almost to do the physical and the mental transformation, learn the slang and all that. But in spite of that, before all that, he decided to put a lot of money into this film, more than I think he didn't look at the math or how much market I have or Chandu's market or none of that. He just trusted the story and went into the film. My third film, 100% Love with Arvind Garu, and that film really shaped my career back then. And I'm really hoping and trusting, and I'm very sure that this film will also shape my career in a very different way and give me a positive direction. So thank you, Arvind Garu. Thank you, Chandu, for trusting me. This is our third film together. Every film, Chandu has presented me in a new style, and he's always looked out for me. Thank you so much. And Rockstar DSP for your lovely music. I think music plays a very, very important role in love stories. And from the first song that we've released, Bujitali, it's been a chart buster to Namo Namah Shivaya and Hailaso Hailasa. And it's given this film a very, very different color, and it's given this film so much exposure. The music has taken the film places even before the release. So thank you so much, Devi. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you for all the energy. And yes, we miss Pallavi today. Pallavi is such a powerhouse of talent. She brings so much energy and she complements every actor and every technician in so many ways. So really glad to be working with her. And of course, thank you to the Mumbai media and the viewers for encouraging our films and our stories over here. Looking forward to you all enjoying the film on Feb 7th, and also like to wish the team of Love Yapa all the very best, because Advait is very close to me. I've spent some time with Junaid, very good friends, so wishing them all the best. Thank you.
I can say on behalf of each and every cine lover कि जब आप खड़े होते हैं किसी क्रू के साथ, किसी फिल्म के साथ, तो वो भरोसा ना थोड़ा और गहरा हो जाता है कि आमिर खान वो है तो कुछ तो होगा. Please talk to us about this entire thing.
सबसे पहले तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा. आप सब ने इतना प्यार दिया है मुझे. All of you all have given me so much love. Thank you so much. I'm really touched. But the fact is that, Arvind Garu is like an elder brother. And when his phone came, his film is releasing. So before even knowing everything, I had first said yes. You know that, sir. I had said yes. Then he said, no, but I want you to know it's coming on 7th. I said, हाँ. So then he said, your son's release, film is also releasing. I said, no problem. सब फिल्में चलेंगी यार. I think जब फिल्म की कहानी अच्छी होती है, तो ऑडियंस उसको पसंद करती है. और बहुत दफ़ा हमने देखा है कि साथ में बहुत सारी फिल्में एक साथ चली हैं. तो all my very best. I really love the trailer. It's a fantastic trailer. It's so well shot and great music. You know, there's a song of yours, Dinka Chika, Dinka Chika. That's my favorite song. Yeah, मैं normally मुझे नाचना पसंद नहीं है, but वो गाना बजता है तो मैं शुरू हो जाता हूँ. Yeah, I promise you. And Salman knows this. Yeah. So I think it's a great trailer. The story, as you said, it's a true story, and it's certainly a story which is very moving. एंड जिस तरह ट्रेलर में हमने देखा है, it's so beautifully shot and the emotions have come out so well. Jay is an amazing actor, and so is Sai Pallavi. So both of their moments have come out so well, and I think it's going to be a huge success. My very best to the entire team, Jay.
Okay, so Arvind sir, I have a question for you. There's a lot of history here. You know, whenever we talk about a pan-Indian film, गजनी का जिक्र होता ही है. And you know वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग benchmark set कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
No, sir. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told me
sound
very-
like me.
It was a late night, sir. And I thought it was
Short-term memory loss.
no. We were wishing like that. Rather, we say
Wishful thinking. Yeah.
wishful thinking, and rather we were promoting that to you.
Yes.
And-
Wonderful memories here of
And
Rajni.
it did. The first 100 crore club, Gajni is the film in the history.
Yes.
And I wish I should make another. Now it is 100 has become 1,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want to make a 1,000 crore film with him now.
Sir, definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Gajni too. Maybe Gajni too.
So a lot of,
Yeah, something is
on the net is going around
on the
Gajni
net
too.
going around. No, actually,
where you heard it first.
We both
This is where
did
you
not
heard
think
it
about
first.
it. People started writing about it.
Manifestation, so it's going to happen.
So talking about history, Amir sir, this one's for you. Talking about history, of course, you've worked with this gentleman here, the very talented Che sir. So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, kya, as an actor, what did you see in him?
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah. He's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah. So we couldn't have asked for anything better.
Right.
It was such an amazing experience working with Che, and that you know got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but at one time we were living out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today. Yeah.
जैसा आमिर सर के लिए कहा जाता है that he completely वो immerse कर लेते हैं अपने को whenever he's doing a movie, right? He's 120% there और फिर वो साल महीने दिन नहीं गिनते. So वहाँ से कहीं से inspiration आया था that 2 years without signing any other movie. So was it like inspired by the gentleman here? इसके लिए 2 साल दे दिए और कुछ और नहीं किया?
Maybe in a way. Maybe in a way, because
You didn't shoot anything else, just two.
no,
Oh,
no,
wow.
no, didn't shoot anything.
Wow. So we're really looking forward to this one, yeah? Wow.
Yeah, maybe in a way.
How was it? How was it for you? Talk to us about that, because of course a busy actor जो कि कह रहा है अब I'm 120% dedicated to this project and finally it is out. Talk to us about this journey.
No, as an actor, when the role really inspires you and when you're really moved by the character you're playing, the time doesn't matter, at least for me. Whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not about that. It's about translating what you had envisioned and getting that right. Because today, once the film releases and once it's out, nothing is in your hands. So at least when it's in your hands, when you have control over the product, be patient with it and do what you can. Right. So that's what I believe in.
Right. Chandu sir, based on real life stories, talk to us about that. Did you like meet all those people? Like how did it all happen?
Yeah, I mean, basically it's a emotional love story.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the after Pakistan scenes, so how Raju, I mean, Raju saved his guys.
Right.
Okay, the other 21 along with him.
Yeah.
from among those cutthroat criminals in the jail, in the Karachi jail. Okay?
Talking about me,
when
sir.
it comes to the village, Satya, Raju's love, okay, all the way to dematerialism, a small village, he goes to Delhi to get them back.
Right.
Okay, yeah, and this is a real story.
And this is looking very real on that big screen.
Yeah.
वो organic लग रहा है. That is why I asked you this question. It was looking all organic. So did you like have this on your mind? Like, did you guys discuss this amongst yourself that this is how the thing is going to be like? We want this. क्या कहते हैं? Process ऐसा होना चाहिए कुछ something like
No,
that?
I mean, as it is a real-time story, me along with my team, along with my hero, my producer, Banni Vasu, everyone, even with Bhanu Pratap, Karthik, everyone, we went there, we researched there, studied their language, their body language, everything. So it was actually, to say it, it was a bit easy for them because of we have a live example.
Right.
Yeah, to read them.
Right.
Yeah.
Arvind sir, we've got to know that recently Bunny sir also met Miss Basuri Swaraj in Delhi.
Banni Vasu.
Bunny Vasu.
Yeah,
met
Bunny
her,
Vasu.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So talk to us about that. What was it like? Because Sushma
So
Swaraj ji ka
this
kuch-
story happens in between 2018 and 19, where they were caught at that point of time.
Yeah.
So so about the story of the film, I think so we should not reveal so much actually.
So some things they cannot reveal,
It's a,
Just the
which we will
Mulaqat
save for the
is
film.
it's a part of suspense of the film.
Okay.
And
ये गलत सवाल पूछ दिया तूने.
certain things have happened during Sushma Swaraj stayed in as an external minister.
Right.
So that we brought that part into this film.
But you know why I ask you this question is because a lot of back end research has gone into it. ये सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि दो लाइन की कोई कहानी मिल गई और उसको बना दिया. You guys have done it like you've been there in the entire process. So for you, what were the guidelines given to you? Like what was it like? Because this is not a regular movie ना, ये तो कुछ हटके. तो क्या बोला गया था आपको?
Okay, the first time when I received a call from
So he's not only music director for this film, he's also a writer, sir. We discuss a lot about the story. I have lot of hours to hours discussion we have.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's not the music director. He's different. He will come, sit with the story sitting, and he'll come to the sets. He will come to the dance, these things. He will think over, he will go, change something, and he is slightly mad. So much.
Sir, what you said right now is a blessing.
I said my time of
The biggest compliment I could ever get. Woohoo! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, okay, thank you. Yeah, so, yeah. So, I'm still basking in the glory of what Amir sir just said. Like me, he said, what more do I ask for, sir? I think any passionate technician has to be that mad, no, sir. The madness is what drives us to the next one. And of course, we all learn from people like you, sir. So, thank you, sir.
No, we learn from each other.
Oh,
The
see-
process of learning never stops. Yeah.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Thank you for that, sir. So, yeah, the first time when I got a call from Chandu sir and Bunny was, first they told me as a one-liner. They said, this will be like, we are thinking of a story like this, which happened. It's a true incident. And it was just like maybe like 2-3 minutes call. That's it. As soon as they said that one-liner, I said, let's do this movie. So it was so exciting because the border crossing in the Pakistani and all that, the fishermen, I thought, oh, and I'm also a beach lover because I'm based out of Chennai. And I grew up always, going and sitting alone on the beach, listening to Ilayaraja sir's music, listening to Michael Jackson's music. So, yeah, I think you should give a huge round of applause to Ilayaraja sir and Michael Jackson. Here.
Alone anedi tappu.
Alone at different times, uncle. So, yeah. So, like, I don't know, the sound of water always inspires me, and I could hear the sound of an ocean all through the narration when they were saying it. So, that's why in all the lyrics, I would have somehow brought in a reference of the saltness of the water. Or
You were going to sing a song last time. Now you must be ready by now. By now you would be
Oh my
ready.
God.
Give us a few
No,
lines.
this is like I'm sitting in front of a school teacher. He's like, hey, don't escape your homework.
No, we are the audience. You cannot escape the audience.
Sure, sir. So that's how it started, and I loved what they narrated, sir. And then we right away, like we actually dived into the ocean of his narration. Yeah. And then we came out with this, and they made it so beautifully, sir. Every emotion was like beautiful in the movie. So I should thank them for making this amazing script, and of course.
See, this is what they want. Amir sir ने सही करवा दिया यहाँ. Sir, this is just a bahana, sir. Every time you take
Sir,
out
you
the phone-
sing and Arvind Garu will dance.
Done it. Thank you, Amir sir, for that.
Beat.
Okay.
Beat.
You do that. Chesa, I'll quickly come to you. You know, one last thing, because this is one movie that is going to appeal to anyone and everyone across the country. And वो pan India नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, लेकिन ये वही वाली feel है कि everybody, and we've seen your work, yeah, in this part of the country also. We've seen your work, we've loved your work. But here, like this huge film, to be blockbuster, let's say that. Tandel, what do you have to say यहाँ पे अभी?
Well, I think the subject itself is so universal by itself. The story behind what really excited me also as an actor, behind the whole Srikakulam village to Gujarat to Pakistan, behind that is a beautiful love story that Chandu Mondeti has written, and it is that pure love that each one has for each other that kept my character Raju so brave in jail, and kept him going through those 2 years and come back in one piece. So that is something that I really found exciting as well. And also he takes you through a journey of love. Love also has a lot of pain in it. So those are some of the moments that he's dealt with really well. You know, how this story of love goes through positivity, pain, and how they come out stronger from it.
Right.
So yeah, that's another angle to it which I really was inspired from.
And of course, the intensity of the character that we saw on the big screen, of course, romance है, but other than that, you're there, उनकी जेल में बैठे और वहाँ पे जो dialogue बाजी चल रही है, उस समय that angst, talk to us about it, sir.
Chandru Jepta.
Chandu sir? Oh, he'll talk, yeah.
So that angle, I don't know how much to talk about because it's still, we've kept it limited
No
to
worries,
the
sir.
trailer because
No
the whole
worries.
patriotism angle.
Also, I
of it.
think it's much more fun to experience the performance, on screen. So we'll do that on 7th.
Done? अभी, so we are all set? वो लोग हाँ उधर से हाँ. And we also okay. We've also got the songs, so we'll be playing those songs on the big screen for you guys. But before that, live तो बनता है यहाँ पे, है कि नहीं? हाँ?
Allu Arvind uncle has to dance now. ఇందులో Mani, where are you, Mani? I'm struggling here and you're not even bothered about me.
Money.
He could have taken the lyrics and given me by now.
Yeah, do from this film.
Wow, amazing, sir.
ये नहीं देखने को मिलेगा, मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें of course we get to see and witness and enjoy, but this is something हटके, of course. Okay, so one more time, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be playing those videos. We've got the assets here. And Arvind sir, one more time, if you were to talk about the filmy scene right now, of course, we are talking about 100 crores, we are talking about 1,000 crores, but at the same time, kahin na kahin we are like, अच्छा, ये छोटी picture है, ये कैसी चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी. What is the scenario like as per you? Because you've been there, done that, sir. थोड़ा बताइए. About films, of course, the scene. I'm saying filmy scene right now, sir. Yeah, exactly.
I'm still searching the reasons.
Amir sir, for
I
you.
think a good story always works. Across genres, it could be action, it could be drama, it could be romantic. If your story is good, it always works. It always starts from the story.
Right.
And which director can do that and which hero suits that? These three should fall in line. then it's a hit.
So it's a collective thing, of course, you know. Starcast wala, sir, Amir sir, because of course,
Starcast should be as per the story. Story decides everything. That's what I feel.
right, right. Stars की बात करें, you know, talking about your look, urban, cool andaz, we've seen you in that. Here it's that rugged look, दाढ़ी के साथ, वो एक अलग dialect, उसके ऊपर कितनी preparation गई, कितनी मेहनत गई.
See, the look was pretty, you know, growing my hair, beard and all. I think the most challenging part about the transformation was the dialect, the Srikakulam dialect. It's very unique in sound. It's very far off from the Telugu we speak in the city. So, you know, getting that right was the biggest challenge for me.
Right, right. Sir, एक challenge जो सबसे ज़्यादा for the director, what was the most challenging thing, I would say?
So most of the part in the ocean, what we shot,
Right.
okay, 95% is the original location, sir. So my hero said, I don't want to do in the blue mat or green mat because I don't get that feel. So most of the part we shot in the sea.
Okay.
Yeah.
देखा यही होता है, ऐसी चीजें निकल के आ जाती हैं. Sir,
30 to 35 days we shot in the middle of the sea. Ocean.
wow, wow. बाकी बहुत सारी चीजें 7th Feb is the date. Remember that. Rockstar sir,
Yes.
हो जाए?
Ready?
He is ready. I know that. Yeah.
Okay, so there is a beautiful situation in this where, thank you, sir. So, okay, but I chose to sing this song. And sorry about my throat. I've been on the cold, so okay. Anyways, but you're all also going to sing along with me, okay? It's a beautiful situation about the Mahashivratri in this movie, and also Mahashivratri is coming up this month, and that's a very important situation in the film where I think I can say where the Thandel is actually being appointed in the movie on that particular day, and the phone is locked. Once it happened in my live show, sir, I forgot the lyrics, and my brother gave me his iPad. I was like, okay, and I was like dancing. Then when I came back to the iPad, it was locked, and I like, okay.
Whoa. Sir, do you
Sorry for the cracks in my voice. My throat is
do
gone.
you use any
Very good,
instruments
very
या
good.
ऐसे ही काम चल जाता
Very
है
good.
सारा?
Most of my composing is done like this, sir, on the chairs, on the tables, through my mouth. And whenever I touch a keyboard or a piano or something, for me everything is musical. You know, this chair, this mic, this table, whatever. So whenever I touch anything that can create a sound, because sound for me is always music, and tab hote hai feelings, mere ko musical feelings. So everybody say, hote hai feelings, hote hai feelings, hote hai mere na 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 ko, hote hai. Thank you, guys.
ट्रेलर भी देख लिया, लेजेंड से भी मिल लिए, कॉन्सर्ट भी हो गया, अभी क्या चाहिए? गिव इट अप फॉर देम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन वन मोर टाइम. ओके एंड 7 तारीख को जाना है थिएटर्स में ये फिल्म देखने के लिए. उससे पहले इट्स टाइम फॉर अ क्विक फोटो ऑप विद द एंटायर टीम, एंड ऑफ कोर्स वील गेट टू वॉच दीज 2 assets on the big screen in some time. We'll quickly remove the chairs.